Hello there, and welcome to the Max and Kids Kayak Trip. We are preparing to leave for a 45-minute kayak trip or so.
Don't count on it. Oh.
These are my companions. This is Gloria. That's Annie. You might remember her from the cooking show. And then Mike is in the car ahead of us, which you can't see. Unfortunately, I forgot the most important piece to all of the accessories I brought for my camera. So, okay, so as I was editing this video, I realized that I never mentioned that I was able to create a ghetto chest mount with my life jacket. And so that's why I do a time lapse like halfway on the way to the first bridge, so you don't miss much. And that's also why it kept falling. So that's why you get a great view of my life jacket. But anyway, I can't do like a huge time lapse. But I'm gonna try and make it interesting. Alright, so we are where we set off from. So I don't want to lose them, so yeah. Okay, so there's a dude up there who's throwing rocks. We thought he was throwing at us. So, hopefully we were wrong. Okay, we found the first bridge. I think they said they're gonna pick us up at the second bridge. So, let's hope the second bridge comes quicker than this one. All right, so we gotta make it over this log here. Let's see if I can get over it. I am! Yeah! Ah, there's a branch there. All right, I did it. Yeah. Oh, shoot! That fell. There's a massive turtle right there. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can. Then I'll have to edit this and that'll be awkward. Is this awkward for you? Bye, turtle. See you later. All right, so we found the bridge, I think. So now we're just gonna wait for my mom and dad to come and pick us up in his truck. And what? This is the first one? Yes? Oh no! Hope's up for nothing. Oh boy. Oh well, I guess we keep going. Okay, so apparently we weren't supposed to come this far. Oh gosh, now I have to go upstream to get back to where they are. So, I'm trying my hardest. All right, so we made it back to where we were supposed to. It was really hard going upstream, but we did it. All in all, it was a lot longer than we thought. It was about 2.5 hours. Gloria, what did you think of our trip?
Great, till when I scraped my leg on the rose bush and had to go upstream.
All right, Anna, what did you think?
It's pretty good. I could have gone further. Oh my
Okay.
God. What an overachiever.
Well, I think there were a lot of trees, and I was glad to be done. So, Micah, what did you think? Oh, he's out there. He doesn't get to say. All right, that's too bad. Okay.
Probably wouldn't say anything anyways.
Yeah, that's true. So, thanks for watching, and have a great day.